this lighting's really shit. I'm sorry. Okay. You know what? I can't bother to go downstairs and get my light. I haven't got the energy. In an extremely surprising turn of events, I'm reviewing The Story of Mathematics by Rooney. Now, this won't be surprising to you who do not know me, so I shall tell you that I hated maths at school. I scraped my G, didn't scrape any G's, I scraped my C at GCSE maths with the help of a tutor because my maths teacher was, great. So, and I've always hated maths, I've always hated it. But then a few weeks ago, I just thought, I want to read something that's like nothing to do with what I'm interested in, drama and English and theatre and film and stuff like that. I wanted to read something different. So I had a little look through some of my dad's non-fiction books, and this took my fancy. I just thought, maybe I'll find it more interesting. And I really have. I enjoyed this way more than I thought I was going to do. I sort of read the first couple of chapters, like I went into it thinking I'll just read the first two, and if I like it I'll carry on, probably won't, whatever, never mind. And I finished it this evening and I really enjoyed it. I won't go as far as to say I understood everything. By no means did I understand everything in this book. I understood probably a third of it to a half, and some of it went straight through my brain, and I thought I'm not going to go back and reread those sections. I'll come back to the book in the future if I want to, but I took in way more than I expected to, and I really do find that the writing style of this is quite fun, and it has its little sassy moments as well where you think, okay, sorry Rooney, chill out. Which is also fun because it keeps your interest. And it also talks quite a lot about applying maths to real world problems, which is something that everyone I know asks, oh, when am I actually going to use trigonometry in life? And, oh, still another day and I haven't used algebra, and things like that, which is a common joke. But it was nice to see it being talked about, being used in real world applications. If not relevant to every single person personally, certainly relevant to the lives and world that we live in. So that was interesting to find out why it's so important, and also to find out how maths is like discovered, and what parts of it are created and what parts are discovered because they just are, because that is something that I've always wondered about and has always confused me. So to actually learn more about that was really great and really useful to me, I think. I guess if you are interested, maybe pick up a book about maths. Not a textbook, like teaching you maths. It sort of teaches you in a way, but it doesn't really expect you to like learn it like you would if you were in a maths class. It just sort of gives examples of what it means and writes the sort of the x and the n and all of the equations and stuff, but it then explains the sort of relevancy, importance, and who came up with this stuff and who found this stuff and who proved it and why we have to prove it, and all of this cool things just make it interesting. Yeah, I think that's everything. Good. Having read that has made me want to review a science book, so I think in probably another few weeks I will have a review of Charlie McDonald's Fun Science. I'm really excited. But yeah, so that will be coming in a few weeks. But until then, I have lots of other reviews coming to you. On Friday, hopefully, I will be reviewing Once Upon a Time Season 4. I say hopefully because I didn't realise when I went to Denmark for 10 days that Once Upon a Time isn't in Denmark, so I couldn't watch it. So I'm a bit behind. It's been a really long outro. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.